Hey guys, welcome. This is Carl's Mouse. I'll be doing a review on the Pro Tech Toolkit from iFixit.com. So a couple of weeks ago, I received this as a gift, and I actually used it once on user here in the office. Just a small little problem. Battery wouldn't charge, so I had a brand new battery, and I kind of needed the right tool to open up the laptop. So me being a computer tech, I didn't really had. I thought I had a tool, but I didn't. So thanks to that, I was able to get that replaced within less than 10 minutes. So I highly recommend it. I highly recommend it, especially if you have a hardware store. If you're one of those person who fix phone or replace parts on a laptop or on a MacBook or remove screen and so on, the Pro Tech Toolkit will do the job. It's very easy, very simple to use, and you can actually do it yourself too, because on their website they have a lot of documentation. You can actually search for ways how to repair anything, especially like technology parts and stuff like that, like a camera or your phone and small devices like this. Even your laptop, your desktop, that tool will work. So when I received it, came in this nice little box, nicely beautiful looking box. And on the back of it, it will give you a description of everything that it has. You can pretty much find everything at iFixit.com. There's a lot of guides, solution, and they sell tools and parts also. Parts could be anything for your phone. It could be a new screen or battery or so on, whatever you're looking for. And like I said, you could do it yourself, and you could save yourself a lot of money from taking it to the store itself, because I know they will charge you so much money just to replace a screen or battery, and I know how frustrated it could be. So this is the tool. It came in this nice little, beautiful, sturdy looking case. It's very nice. I'm amazed. I carry this with me every day. I put it in my backpack, keep it in my car. That's something that I always carry with me, just in case. You never know when you're gonna need something, just to repair anything you have at the office, at your friend's house, or at home, and so on. So it's very sturdy, like I said. The quality is really well made. So this section right here looks like this is pretty much the tool that you're going to be using to open up your phone, especially the screen, because there's a suction. This looks like a surgical kit, so I never really had a chance to use it, but you have all of those tools. It's pretty amazing, and I can't wait for something to break so I could actually use that. And those are all my parts, pretty much my screwdriver and all the little pieces and stuff like that. As you can see, it's like strong, it's like first time I opened it up, I was amazed how beautiful it looks. All the pieces all put in together. I got my little screwdriver right here. This is an amazing tool. That was a lifesaver to replace the battery. Didn't take me too long. And I think this is also a screwdriver, but it's very flexible. So I'm thinking this is more like, desktop, phone, I guess. I'm not sure, but never really had the chance to use this. There's a lot of parts, as you can see. They also have all the little display at the bottom. So if by accident you put this guy and this guy, you could actually look at the little image. They have all the little part numbers and stuff like this. So really nothing, nothing after that. But this is my tool. It's very well designed, beautifully made, and I actually really recommend for any technician or just for yourself to have one of those at home, or just to keep it with you in your office or in your car and so on. So this is magnetic. This has a little magnet on the top, left, right, bottom, and it just kind of stick right here. Sturdy. I like that. There's also little magnets at the back, as you can see, and it just kind of magnet to the back of this, just to hold it. So guys, this is the tool from iFixit.com, the Pro Tech Toolkit. As you can see, it looks really nice and give you a little look. Check it out. I think this is like looks like one of those anti-static, in case you like to replace hard drive or memories on a machine or a laptop and so on. And this is all the tools. It's a great little tool. I love it. I love it. Like I said, it's very sturdy. Looks like a Bible, you know. It's very big. It kind of weighs like 5 pounds. I will say like 5 pounds. So I recommend it. I'll put the description on my link on my page, and it costs $59.99 for this. Thank you for watching and have a good day.